Now let's learn how we can actually start growing our food. So since spaces are constrained, we are all looking at small spaces, but we can grow a lot in small spaces. So it could be a balcony, it could be a windowsill, it could be a terrace. So we look at what we actually is available at home. So a lot of recyclable potting containers can be used. You can use tin, you can use curd dabbas, you can use paint buckets, you can also use grow bags and pots. So whatever suits you, you can have them. And the potting mix is very important. Now that we learned how to compost, so a large part of your potting mix is compost. So we put two parts of compost. One is a vermicompost and one is a regular compost. 1 part soil and 1 part coco peat. Because coco peat helps in retaining the moisture, the water, and also it keeps the soil very light and breathing. So the plants grow with much more, the roots and all have enough breathing space, and they grow much better even in small containers. So then once you have filled up your potting mix into your container, so this is a curd container, so you can directly sow some seeds into this. And then you'll have a small sapling that comes up, and this can be transplanted into another bigger container. So this is a tomato sapling, so tomato needs a larger pot. So it all depends on what. This is a rocket salad leaf. So you can see it's growing in this, and there's enough. Already I have pulled out few leaves, so you can keep growing. So even in small spaces, you have enough you can grow. So there's a radish growing here, there's a pak choy growing here. There are some herbs growing here. So you can invent, innovate, and be creative about the space that you want to grow your food in. Please do subscribe to this channel and grow your own edible spaces. It's wonderful to grow your food because it's such a joy to take your fresh food. You don't even have to have a refrigerator. You can take your fresh food off your garden, and the garden decides your menu. So it's such a healthy way to live.